say is Jamaica.
Yeah.
We little, but with talawa.
Say it again, I love that one. We little.
But with talawa.
Yeah, I know what it means, but maybe for someone who doesn't know what little but talawa means, could you please explain it to them?
We is a small island.
Yeah, yeah,
But
yeah,
just with expressions, with personality,
yeah,
the way we are,
yeah,
we're large in the world.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, man. So we say we little, but we talawa.
Man say, yo, if you get 100 Jamaicans in one place,
Yeah.
you expect a revolutionary, you expect change. You know what I mean? Break all the rules and set new rules.
Yeah, man.
So
For real.
it's just a start in Kenya, right? How was the food?
Yeah, man. Nice, man. Very nice. Very
You
nice.
can say I'm not even talking, man.
Yeah, that's
I've already eaten there.
yeah.
You know?
Kenyans, then we drive and say, excuse me, sir, would you like to go first? Yes, you would like to go? Okay, then I'll go.
Yeah.
But in Jamaica,
In Jamaica,
sir, hey, you will on there, so you see big man come through.
Wagwan family. Yeah, man. So right now we are headed to a Jamaican restaurant with my Jamaican brother. You can see him over there. And you know, yeah, how you doing, brother?
Man, I'm good.
Yeah, you good?
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Say something, man.
Why?
Yeah.
Heading to our Jamaican restaurant to
Yeah.
test it out
Yeah.
and see how it is.
So you wanna test it out and
Yeah,
see
man.
how it is, right?
Man, yeah, man.
Yeah. It's the same restaurant I did the other time, owned by Jam Tour, because he also, yeah, Jam Tours, you know him, right?
Yes, man. Yeah, man.
Yeah. So we are heading there.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So, ladies and gentlemen,
See how
yeah,
it is.
yeah.
We're gonna check it in and see how it is.
Oh, we're gonna check it in and see how it is. Yeah, man. I like how you're speaking English, man. It's so, it's so fluent and entertaining, man. Yeah, man. Yeah. So, ladies and gentlemen, we are headed to a Jamaican restaurant, and I'm with my Jamaican brother. And as you can see there, the colors is putting on, very conspicuous and also interesting. I'll show you again my cape. I've been given an award, and this one I'll keep it, you know, forever with me because it means a lot. So right now we are on the road. We are heading to Kiambu, where the Jamaican restaurant is located, and we're gonna yam our food. So this is just part of the road. And I know when Jamaicans see this, they're happy because I know you love the green vegetation and you love Mother Earth. And I know, just like your anthem says, that you know, you're always there to make the world a better place. So I know once my Jamaican family, they see how green Kenya is, they're very happy. So we are on the road and heading to a Jamaican restaurant, but going with my Jamaican friend. So it means a lot, and him being part of this journey, and also going, you know, now to test the food with me and me together with him. It's a dream come true, and he's gonna have a taste of it, and I need him to comment once he tastes the food, because he's a Jamaican and he knows the exact taste how a Jamaican food tastes like. So he's also gonna give the rating, and he's going to approve if whether the Jamaican food we are testing in Kenya is authentic, right? Yeah, say something, man, about the authenticity, because you are going to be the judge, man.
A yard man, you know a yard man.
Yeah.
Man, a cook.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, we don't know how it goes.
So how do you feel that we are heading to go test the Jamaican food, not in Jamaica, but in Kenya?
Feel good.
You feel good?
Feel good that my people
Yeah.
is in
Yeah.
Kenya.
Yeah.
I go on with a bag of things.
I go on with the bag of things.
Yes, I.
Yeah, man.
See, love it, man. Love it.
Yeah.
Love it.
And also the fact that Kenya represent your food, because I'm sure right now I can look for maybe a Russian restaurant and I might not find it, or an or an English restaurant and I might not find it.
But you find a Jamaican restaurant in Kenya.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So how do you feel that you've embraced the Jamaican food, man?
All me can say is Jamaica,
Yeah.
we little but with talawa.
Say it again, I love that one. We little.
But with talawa.
Yeah, I know what it means, but maybe for someone who doesn't know what little but talawa means, could you please explain it to them?
We is a small island.
Yeah, yeah,
But
yeah,
just with expressions, with personality.
Yeah.
The way we are.
Yeah.
We're large in the world.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So we say we likol, but we talawa. We are going to nyam Jamaican food. We're going to have a Jamaican taste, you know, in Kenya. Maria said that we likol, but we talawa. You know, I love that phrase, you know, because imagine Jamaica and the size that it has. I normally tell myself if Jamaica was the size of Africa, then a lot would have happened in this world, because look at the size and the influence is in each and every part of the world. If you ask anybody about Jamaica, I'm sure 98% of people, they know something directly or indirectly about Jamaica. So it's a privilege to have him here in Kenya. You can see today there's not much traffic on the road, but in some of my previous videos you guys have seen, sometimes we've got a lot of traffic. But today being on a Sunday, yeah, many people maybe are chilling in the house. Yeah, Easter. Yeah, it's on Easter, you know, and people are having their good time. So we are almost there, and we are going to catch up once we arrive at the Jamaican restaurant. Lastly, still as we head, ladies and gentlemen, I'm still happy to have my brother in our country. I say our country because this country belongs to all of us. And in fact, there are some places he's been in Kenya, you know, that I've never been. So he's a fully Kenyan. So my people, let's meet once we arrive at the Jamaican restaurant.
Yeah, African walk, I see getting a lot of attraction, man. Yeah, man. And I think when the Jamaicans start to support you, yeah, get real support.
Yeah.
And you see once you actually clean and honest, and your heart clean,
man.
trust me, get the full on
Everybody.
Every Jamaican the back of you think blow up. Yeah, man. But you see once you are dirty and you come to Jamaica, because as an African, you come to Jamaica, we love you like good food.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Because when
if I go to Africa now, if I go to Jamaica now, you feel like you're a king.
Yeah.
And it's vice versa for we. As Jamaicans, we come here, the people and treat us like king.
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying. So, I love what you do, man. And as I say, as a Somalian, you would say, yo, in the video, man say, yo, if you get 100 Jamaicans in one place, you expect a revolutionary. You expect change. You know what I mean? Break all the rules and set new rules.
Yeah, man.
So,
For real.
It's just a start in Kenya, right? When you see Gen Z start come to Kenya, you don't know that this is the change of
It done.
the young people start come, they start looking to Africa.
Yeah, man.
And we
so.
actually, you know, pave the way for them, for the youth them to see it. Because what we do on the internet now, it's a digital footprint we are creating. And you have that for your legacy, you know, 20 years, 30 years to come.
Yeah.
We are doing now a small thing because the world is in a digital age. You know what I mean? And people craving for information.
For that,
You know, people is looking for a new way out. People is looking for the next new trend. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah. So, yeah, man. We are doing my youth. It's a big thing. You know, because now when you have local do it, and then you have Jamaicans come and do it. You know what I mean? It will bridge the gap.
Of course.
Because now when you are sure, me not sure, you're the local, you know what I mean? You see things different than how me see it. As a Jamaican, me see things different. So when me are sure, you learn from both sides. You know what I mean?
True.
It's just like you have rich dad and poor dad. You learn from both that, and then you stay in the middle and go to the right path.
True.
So, you know, say, hey, this wrong, this right. Let me do this. Let me, you know what I mean? Yeah, family. So, yeah, man, we're there and we are wave the culture high. And we want people to come back to Africa. As Marcus Garvey said, we'll never give up on a continent, an island.
True.
So, they realize, say, yo, you know what I mean?
And it's so,
That's it's our home.
and it's so miraculous to see how each culture is almost the same.
Yeah. It's almost the same, because you know what I mean,
Almost the same.
Yeah, families. As I was saying to you guys, that when you come to Kenya, Jam Tours, we have the blueprint. You know, immigration, you know, anything. Just go to the website jamtoursafrica.com, and you'll see everything that we actually, you know, all of the services that we provide. And you know, coming to Africa, you don't come with your one money, and then you get scammed. You know, I'm a victim of scamming. And I actually trying to pay it forward now, so people can actually come scam free, and you can come with your money, and you can turn it over and start see some profit, and you can see your way back. You know what I mean? A lot of people scared of Africa because it's so uncertain. You know what I mean? There's a lot of uncertainty.
That is so true.
When you come out to trust, and honesty. And you know, everybody talking about bribery and all of that. So, you know what I mean? Yeah. So family, let's go family. Let's go.
I think also I should hold an interview with Jam Tour.
Yeah.
Because it's like, you know, a lot of, not it's like it's true, you know, a lot of investment opportunities, and now even Jamaicans can come.
Yeah.
Because I see a lot of information with him.
Yeah.
I should have an interview with you because you said you are also starting another restaurant of vegetarian.
Vegan Jamaican.
Yeah. I think that would be nice.
Always the food.
Yeah, man, nice, man. Very nice. Very
You
nice.
can say I'm not even talking, man.
Yeah, that's it.
Ladies and gentlemen, you normally know that I love oxtail. So when we went, I just find myself preferring oxtail. So I took oxtail and rice and peas. The Jamaican friend took steamed veggies because it doesn't indulge in meat. So how was the food? The one they organized for you?
Yeah, man. Very nice, man.
It's nice?
Yeah, man. Very nice. Very nice. Yeah, very nice.
Yeah, man. So African work, you have a lot of Jamaicans, a lot of people coming into Kenya and stuff.
Yeah.
Man. So I line up and give them some tours. You know, people come in and they want to see, you know, commercial space, they want to see where to have business, they want to see where to have the Airbnb, all of these things.
Yeah.
Come to Africa, Kenya.
Yeah.
They should come to
place.
Africa, Kenya.
Yes,
Yeah.
man. That's the place.
Yeah, man, it's just like Jamaica.
Yeah. Everybody's out in the west.
Yeah.
Try the east.
Yeah,
Oh,
it
yeah.
is.
Yeah. Try the east.
I know people are really come out East Africa still, you know, when they realize how the place set up. I understand that. Hey,
Because you see, the thing is, everybody's going to Ghana, Nigeria, and Benin. Everybody's going to those three places.
Yeah.
Everybody knows that.
Yeah.
Right? There's not much people coming this side and reporting back.
I report, yeah, report,
Them
yeah.
just come and
Because
that's it.
a lot of people go to Ghana now and report.
Yes.
So that's the reason why you find.
So that's everybody know.
That's everybody know, yeah. Because
Because-
for me, when I was coming, I was like, look up on a Ghana, me see.
Yeah.
And Ghana, me come first.
Yeah.
But you know what I mean?
So you first went to Ghana, right?
Yeah. So, but
Because I get there, I was arguing with somebody about you because he said you were in Ghana first,
yeah.
and I told him Kenya. So first you're in Ghana.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, I was in Ghana first. I realized, say, yo, Jano, I said, me I look for a wife. And you know, say, the next African country, Jamaica, or Ethiopia.
Yeah.
So, you know, I said, me I go Ethiopia. And I'm saying to myself that, so my time family, when you don't have guidance, you can do something. And
True.
When you write things, I'm to you.
Yeah.
At the most.
We finished and the food was nice, man. I love rice and peas. I've become a yardie. So behind us there is a chef known as Chef Ricardo. He's from Jamaica. He's not with us here, but inside the kitchen. You can follow him on YouTube. He's called One Love Africa. There is another Jamaican who was passing by. When he heard the accent of the two Jamaican friends, he joined us. So there is another Jamaican also almost joining us, ladies and gentlemen.
Once you bucket one, you say, ouch. So once you bucket two now, you see?
Yeah.
So if you're keen, there is a man behind us over there. He's putting on a white cape. He's the one I was talking about, known as Chef Ricardo. And YouTube is called One Love, One Love Africa. So he's the one in charge of the preparation of the Jamaican food, ladies and gentlemen. You can follow him and you can see his life in Kenya.
Alright, coming at the video. My them to say a lot of Jamaicans there.
No fear the there.
Yeah, man. So, you know, how me actually end up in Kenya is by chance.
Yeah.
Because of boom and dad Jamaica, because of boom get a break and go Trinidad, married to a Trinidadian, bring her back to Jamaica.
Yeah.
Be a problem she start give me. So me start say, yo, John no start, what me I go do?
Yeah.
Go to my grandmother and ask her, you know, me if you come out of this marriage, you now work and you not going away. She say you have to separate, you know. But you can't stay in Jamaica. You have to find somewhere to go, but you can't stay in Jamaica. So when she tell me that, me I say, yo, it's like a light bulb start blink off me. I say, yo, John was starved. I'm not going to leave Jamaica now. When we can go COVID time.
Yeah.
I'm not say, I say, yo, Africa, them say, yo, Africa free. You know what I mean? No COVID not the Africa. That was the news.
That's the news.
That's the news that come out.
Yeah.
I'm going to say, woman, I'm going to start look up on Ghana and think. I'm going to say, yeah. I say, what am I video? I'm going to say, yo, Ghana, me I go, you know. What's up, woman? You know what I mean? And we start planning it out. Because like, that's like 2 weeks. I'm tell my uncle say, yo, and you should go to the market today. I leave the house, I'm going to go Montego Bay.
I know.
I'm going to go Montego Bay. I'm going to try, you know what I mean? Yeah. And so the thing, we come Africa.
Enough, them so you're really in the life, you know. You're really in the life, you know.
Come Africa, we just have bag for my back, my laptop, and the Airbnb was something in Ghana, nobody else.
Yeah, yeah.
And he was so lucky enough when we drop in Ghana, the brother who picked me up, his brother is actually at the head of immigration.
Yeah.
So same time I get my permit and everything.
Yeah.
And I say, yo, after I get my permit, I want to see what Ethiopia look like.
Yeah.
Because Kenya never on my mind. There's a YouTuber who come and say, yo, you know what I mean, you know, message her and say, yo, me in Ghana, you want to come, yeah, come check it out. And I say, yeah, them a come and think. So, she was a Kenyan.
Yeah.
And I saw me up in Kenya because I say, hey, right after I country, I know somebody. Yeah. I'm going to country, I know nobody.
No, nobody.
True. So, you know what I mean? So I saw me come to Kenya, I'm there. You know what I mean? Then I Kenya, I love it.
Yeah.
Yeah, so.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, me in
As you
Kenya.
said, this is my second time and I love it.
So when I see me, I say them things, I mean, I say them things because I go online and research on Kenya and I look up and look up.
Yeah.
And me come and discover all of these things for myself.
For yourself, yeah.
Even the Mau revolution and these people. I never even know that this Kenya have the same culture like Jamaica where they fight and beat Rasta.
Yeah.
And them things. So them things
because you see, in history, the Mau in history, because we used to live in England, you know.
Yeah.
Then tell you say it was the Ethiopians. It's when me reach here, so I miss Mau was like, ain't it supposed to be Ethiopia?
Yeah, really got
I
to
say,
be Rasta like a Jamaican.
Yeah, but I say, but it's Kenya.
Yeah.
Them tell you up there, so say, it's Ethiopia.
Ethiopian.
Yes.
You see them trick you? In every way, even like simple history is supposed to know.
Yes.
They might try to hide from it.
Yeah, tell them, man, for real.
Yeah, family. So we have another brother here called Howard, him there a long time. You there before me, right? How long? About 10 years?
12 years.
12 years.
Yeah.
The one here elder in Kenya.
Kenya friends, small.
That is right. So how you discover Kenya, Howard? What is your story? How you discover, you stumbled upon Kenya? What was your story?
So we born in the 60s, right?
Yes.
So we grew up listening to Bob Marley.
Yes.
So back to Africa thing, we born
From
with
long
them.
time, yeah.
So the first place we go is Ghana.
Yeah.
Stay in America for a while.
Yeah.
Decide, so okay, man, I go Ghana, visit, like it, love it.
All is good.
Yes, bless up.
Yeah, man.
I say Peter Morgan.
I also wanted to tell you that. I wanted to tell you because he looked like one of the Morgan brothers, right? Trust me.
And the funny thing about, when we there America, when we there England, I'm going to go Europe, everybody tell me, say, me and Sugar Mine at favor.
Sugar Man,
Yes.
Sugar Man,
Yeah, man.
So what you saying now?
Yes, sorry.
So, anyway, we plan for Ghana.
Yeah.
So 2010, so that's it, I'm moving, picking them, grow up, everything like that.
Yeah.
And then with one more, I can say, listen, you know, some never go East Africa yet. Or West Africa.
Yeah.
I'm going to take a trip and go East Africa before we reach Ghana.
Sorry?
No, Ethiopia.
Yeah.
You have sorry?
Once we reach Ethiopia, no, I have to go check it out. Come on. Come on, Ethiopia.
Okay, can we take 3?
Yeah.
So we're in Ethiopia for about 4 years, but
That's a long you did it for. Never know that.
4 years and
sorry.
but the IT thing never
kick off. You know the country behind time because of them.
No, because they have a monopoly on the internet.
And yeah. So So you can't do certain things.
Everybody out there will say, yo, Kenya. And I said, yeah, Ethiopia. We're gonna move to Kenya.
Yeah.
How we reach Kenya is one day. America, the place is so cold, we come back Africa. So I won't even stop in Ethiopia, but Tanzania. Because Ethiopia cold.
Yeah, Tanzania have the flavor like Jamaica, same way.
So on the way now, we stop at Kenya, and they had a special ticket where you could come out and see Nairobi for 2 days. So like when you said that now, what got to your mind? So you what? The story even go even further now. So they land us in like the business area, Nobody not sleep,
Yeah.
We get up the next morning and we walk down CBD. Accra Road. Get up the next morning and walk to KICC.
I said development. Kenya.
And then same time they have a home show. And you know, as a man coming from here, the first thing you want to Africa, you want a house, right?
Yeah.
They had a home show.
Ah.
They went to the home show. They were
Yeah, starts to the development. Just say, yo, boom.
I was like, oh, we're going to go down also. We're not live here.
We're not live here now.
No, man, just come. And we said, but we need a mortgage. And they said, we give mortgage to foreigners.
It done. You see that boy? Yeah.
Done.
Yeah. So,
Because I don't forget you. When me I stay, what's the name of the place? The area where I'm staying. Kileleshwa, yeah. In the apartment, I've only seen those apartments recently just start being built in America.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
The type of an apartment, like
It's where you have gym,
design and
you
things.
have
And
supermarket,
inside of it.
everything inside.
Oh, really?
Because when we live at Coral Springs, them just build one.
Where is it to?
It's about
That's Florida, right?
Yeah, less than a year.
yeah.
You understand? Yeah. And when I walked in, I'm saying to myself, hold on a minute.
Stop.
This day already? This day already?
You'll have swimming pool on top.
Yeah. And then the worst thing about when we go up at the door, me and she are fight on the door, forgetting carry a press. I said, wait, I want to go on. I went in there, Carol Smith, I'm going to take out my dirty key and open the door. That's how it is. That's how it is.
Your family, so. Yeah, man, everything up in the line.
Everybody have a story.
People can't come to Kenya one time.
Yes, that
If
is
them
true.
come, they
That
must
is
come
true.
back.
Come back. See it here? Yeah. But come one time. I see it here second time, I know. I have to come back.
You see, as a Kenyan, maybe you don't know what you have until you leave Kenya and find out.
Yeah.
Is it right now? Kenya is even competing with South Africa.
Yeah.
Nicer than South Africa.
Also, as a Kenyan, like you from Jamaica coming to Kenya, you can see a lot of opportunities that we have, right?
Lot of opportunities, but the lifestyle is nice.
Yeah.
Nice. The way you have it in Kenya. Nice.
So you're saying we are competing with South Africa?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Vibes and everything.
The vibes. Yeah. What about the Kenyan vibe? Are they vibing like the Jamaicans?
You know, Kenyans are smooth. You know.
Oh, you even told me. Yeah.
Easy going.
Yeah, man, I'm very laid back and stuff. Yeah.
What about driving?
You know, as a
What
Rasta.
about on the road? Somebody told me if you can drive in Jamaica, you can drive everywhere. If you compare how Kenyans drive and Jamaicans.
Same.
But he told me that we are so polite in the road.
Yeah. They're so polite in the road. That's the reason why we are coming from so much aggressive driver that man.
That's what I was telling him. I was telling
like
him.
nothing. I was asking, how can you drive in Nairobi? And I was like, I find it even easier to drive in Nairobi than Jamaica. The only easier to drive in
the
Jamaica.
road them small.
Yeah.
I drive a little small road. Main highway one small road and you pass one big truck. Over the side there one gully.
Yeah.
Learn to drive good.
Yeah, I've seen those big trucks.
Yeah, I don't like. But here the funny thing about it though is Kenyans, then we drive and say, excuse me sir, would you like to go first? Yes, you would like to go? Okay, then I'll go. But in Jamaica, say, hey, you will land there, so you see big man that come through.
Your man might end up mouth all of a meat.
Yes.
Yeah, war, bro.
Yes.
Yeah, just over a little thing.
Yeah.
You know, it's half shoulder over him.
Yeah.
Pass it. Just like that. Your family. Your family, so. And that's another thing why I love.
The only thing I see though is chaotic. When driving, they're chaotic, especially when it comes to roundabouts. It's like Kenyans not see roundabout. Them see straight road.
Yeah, you are right. Yeah.
But I feel like, it's so in the people that when you come, you have to adapt the style and way of driving for each other.
Yeah.
You're good.
Yeah, because
Drive for each other, you're good.
yeah, because the way I see it, is if you're one Jamaican and there's 1,000 Kenyans, you have to submit.
Yeah.
You find them not really war, you know.
No.
You know, start fighting and traffic and things like that. Them with them things, but they don't really. Jamaica now.
Yeah, man.
I'm man bad, we are the pop boss.
Yeah.
Man, come out there and carry with him last and
We're ready for living.
Yeah, man. So, you know, if you want a peaceful life,
Yeah.
I think Kenya is a spot.
Yeah, yeah. I was telling people the difference between the laid backness of Jamaica and Kenya.
Yeah.
Jamaicans are laid back, pertaining towards Europeans and Americans.
Yeah.
When you come from it's fast. When you go to Jamaica, it's laid back.
Yeah.
But when you come Kenya, it's laid back.
Hey, man. Yeah, man. It's way laid back. Yeah.
Way.
What I like about Kenya is the open road.
Yeah.
What I mean is you have a car, like how this brother.
Yeah.
Just get up Sunday morning and say, yo, we're going. Let's drive.
Yeah.
You must find something interesting.
Yeah, man. Yeah, you must
Along
find
the
something
way.
interesting because Nairobi is so big and you don't have to go far to find
You're
that.
not even but just
Yeah.
like certain times we just drive and reach all Kisumu, all of them places.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All Eldoret and all
Eldoret, yeah. Where the marathoners are coming from.
They have good road.
Yeah.
And it's free.
not
Just
you.
drive.
No.
Yeah, family. So the thing said. It's a Fantan Moja. Like Fantan Moja. Fantan Moja family. Man said the man look like Fantan Moja. Them see Moja. Them say Jamaica. I love reggae very much.
Yeah.
I love reggae very much.
What about Jamaica?
So, reggae music is not in my bones. Yeah, family. So the thing said.
Yeah, man, thank you.
Welcome to Kenya.
Yeah, man, thank you very
Everything
much.
nice.
Everything Chris.
Everything is.
Everything irate.
Yeah, man, for real.
He's my friend. He's
Always here, yeah?
So what is happening here, ladies and gentlemen? We have already taken our food, and my Jamaican brothers are just, interacting and just talking and chilling, as I listen to them chat, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah, push out.
Yeah.
So when you leave?
Thursday.
Yeah. What's the mega plan now? You want to get the land and farm and
Yeah, we have some people to check up on up the Rift Valley. So I'll go up there to check and see what's going on.
Yeah, but if you want like you carry a pin in your bank account, you can assist with them thing, immigration thing. Link up with Jam Tours.
Yeah, man.
You know what I mean?
They go on your site plenty time already, so I know, man.
You know exactly
I know where I go.
So jamtoursafrica.com family, check it out.
Yeah,
if you mean business in Africa, you come to the serious business, you can link up with me.
Yeah.
I'm just getting started, so yeah.
Yeah, man.
And like I said, I'm still gonna do a lot interviews with you.
Yeah, man.
Because
Yeah,
you can. It's easy for Jam to help a Jamaica settle in Kenya.
Yeah.
He did it himself.
Yeah,
So he knows.
So he knows.
Yeah,
And
man.
then you guys be watching me and seeing what I'm doing.
Yeah.
So at this moment when I'm sitting with my Jamaican brothers and we are talking, just relaxing in the motherland, and I can see the Marcus Garvey's dream coming to fruition. We are saying that we are one people, ladies and gentlemen. And as you can see, we are one family. Those are trying to divide us. We are saying no. And we are always going to come together. So ladies and gentlemen, this is just a time of bonding. So allow you again to just listen to how we are just talking as brothers. We have already nyammed our food.
Oh, it
But
is,
it would
yeah.
be good to see the connection between Kenya and Jamaica. Because you see, even Burning Spear, Burning Spear is the name of Jomo Kenyatta.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
That's where you get the name.
There's a whole lot of connection with Jamaica.
That's
from
one
back
of
in
my
the
best
days.
reggae artists.
From back in the days, there's so much connection.
And so they want us two things to be.
Even when Kenyatta was them up against the British and it's our Jamaican attorney welfare.
That's why Jamaicans can come to East Africa without a visa.
Yeah, we should be coming and get citizenship too.
So you can go all of these East African countries because Jamaica turned us out.
Yeah.
Some man named like Dudley Thompson.
Yeah.
He was the lawyer that represented Jomo Kenyatta, right?
Yeah.
Something like that.
Yeah, and he went also to Tanzania. You see, TANU, Tanganyika, the first party. He helped Nyerere form it. You can check it.
Yeah.
The Jamaican lawyer.
Wow.
Yeah.
So you know guys, you see the thing. See when we
Yeah,
come
the
Jamaica,
first party
them
in
there. Yeah man, we always, and I said to myself that, I was thinking about something, I said to myself, Jamaicans, should be able to choose which African state they want to go and then get citizenship. They shouldn't have to beg.
Yeah.
Shouldn't have to beg because we help free the continent. From our music to our instrumental Marcus Garvey, all of these leaders actually inspired by Marcus Garvey and follow his teachings. Yeah. So when you're coming back?
Why? Don't know yet.
Yeah.
I have to get back to work and see how it is and then
Plan
Canada.
yourself.
Yeah, man. But sometime this year, man, as soon as possible.
You want to bring some Guinean weed.
Oh, Guinean weed. Yeah,
Seed,
so
yeah.
plant it. Yeah.
Wait for a dry area or like a
It can grow here. It can grow here, so yeah, man. Because I have to come my farm too. Yeah, man.
Which na Kenya, eh? Na Florida.
No, man, over Jamaica.
Eh?
Yeah, man.
Which part of Jamaica you come from?
But I will be, I tell you.
Bull
Yeah, man.
So live out of Harbour View or something.
Yeah. Yeah, man. Then definitely get, man. Yeah,
lot
man.
of things for you.
Of course.
Breadfruit. Bread.
Oh, yeah. Of course it's supposed to.
Breadfruit.
I remember breadfruit was carried to Jamaica, you know. Yeah.
But we always heard that it came from like the Philippines. Them places.
People come from no Philippines, no. Awesome.
And when you go to Zanzibar, I'm your breadfruit tree.
Yeah. Man. That's where it come from, man.
And you know, so them have yam.
Yam as well, yeah. The seed, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, if you go to Meru,
Yeah.
sometimes you see them over here.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, man. I'm like Kenya white yam, very nice.
Yeah.
White yam.
You get white yam as well?
Yeah, man, I see it in the Parklands market.
Oh.
But if you really want what we have in Jamaica, Uganda,
Yeah, you got that. Yeah.
everything.
Yeah, so you know anything about East
Plantain
Africa?
or
You know, some of our sister.
Even where
That's what she
you're
love.
from, huh?
Yeah.
Out west.
Nyanda.
Yeah, those things.
Kisi,
Kisumu, them
Kisumu,
They eat more like how we eat.
Yeah.
Yeah, all this. Kayago towards Uganda.
Yeah.
But them have sour salt, sweet salt.
Everything.
Everything, yeah.
Big and sweet.
Yeah.
Yeah, when I was in Kisumu, December, I saw what's up, yeah.
It's even most of the rugby players are from my region. Yeah. And people say, from the north, they say we are rude.
Yeah.
Yeah, because we are loud.
Yeah.
Yeah. If you're outspoken, people always think you are rude and aggressive.
Yeah.
I don't see that in Nigerians.
Maybe one day, like you make us aware of the culture, you make us aware of like some of the things that is cultural about us. But as Jamaicans, this is something we don't know anything about.
Yeah.
You know, and the thing about us, we don't have any tribe, so we belong to all tribes.
That's a good thing, yeah.
We not fight this one and fight that one. We accept every one of them. So it would be good if like young people like yourself would like, hey, this is how you do manhood, this is how you do marriage, this is how you
Yeah, it's a nice idea.
culture.
Yeah.
So, ladies and gentlemen, we have got to end it here because what is happening here is just a conversation. Remember, we went here mainly to have the Jamaican food and also to interact with the Jamaicans that have been living in Kenya, and they are now locals. It was a good moment, and my brother was able, to meet his fellow Jamaicans. As you can see him over there, he's also going to interact with the Jamaican chef over there. And this is what you want to see, ladies and gentlemen. You come and you also find your people and also Africans. We believe that we are one with our Caribbean brothers. And any moment, any time, we see such kind of interaction and coming together. This is what we've been fighting for and preaching. As you can see, I'm also taking Sorrel. It has been put on a bottle. So, ladies and gentlemen, it was a nice experience, a nice feeling. Me seeing my brothers, the people that have always influenced this world. I've been talking about them, but now here being with them, and listening to them and also learning from them because I've learned a lot of things. You know, they're telling me that Kenya has got a lot of opportunities that even me as a Kenyan, I had not noticed, you know. And so we are happy just having our time. Remember, we've taken our food, and as I said earlier, I took oxtail, rice and peas. My Jamaican friend took steamed veggies. So ladies and gentlemen, allow me to end it here until next time when we do another video. I've always said that our aim is to come together as a people because I believe that we are one. For now, my people, we say in Patois, Likolmo or goodbye.